We're going to move on to greetings. So the first greeting we're going to start with is just a basic hi, hi, hi. This is how you sign hi. You can do hi, but typically people just do hi. Then you can say, what's up? What's up? The way you do this is you have your middle fingers and they touch about your collarbone, and then they both turn up at the same time. So I'm going to turn so you can see this. What's up? What's up? Then another greeting that you can do is, how are you? How are you? How are you? Now, it's important when you're saying WH word questions, such as the word how. Yes, I know that how is technically HOW. It's not WH, but it is considered one of the WH words in American Sign Language. WH word questions require facial expressions. I definitely will repeat. WH word questions, such as how, your eyebrows go down. And the reason they go down is because it indicates to the person that's watching you that you want more than a yes or no question, or a yes or no answer. So if you're going to ask, how are you? How are you? How are you? So I've got both of my hands like this. My thumbs are touching. My knuckles are touching. My fingers are pointing down. And then I twist it so my thumbs point forward and my fingers turn to point up. And then I point at the person I'm talking to. How you? How you? How you? And when I do that, I have to make sure that my eyebrows are down. Because if I don't, then I'm not actually asking a question. So I have to make sure that my eyebrows are down while I do how you. And this means, how are you? How are you? In American Sign Language, the grammar is different than in English because American Sign Language is based off of French Sign Language. That's where its like deep, deep roots are. So there are a lot of words in English that are not used in American Sign Language, such as in how are you, you don't sign the word are, A-R-E, you just say how you. So we've got hi, what's up, what's up? Now, you can use the eyebrows down for what's up, you can. That would be used more for asking how a friend is doing, like, what's up? If it's just a rhetorical question, you really aren't asking for an answer, you're not really wanting an answer, you wouldn't worry about the eyebrows. It'd be like, what's up? Your eyebrows would be just normal. You wouldn't use this sign in a professional setting or in a setting where you were trying to talk to somebody that wasn't on the same level as you. So I would not use that with my boss. Somebody that I deeply respect, I would not use that. That's more for family, for friends, for the teenager that babysits my kids, that type of thing. You would sign what's up. If you wanted to ask somebody in a more respectful manner how they're doing, you would sign, how are you? How are you? Because that's more respectful. How you?